Yeah. Beyonce, Kelly Rowland, Michelle. I'm all of them. All of them are me. Are you getting? I don't want to hear Pam. I said I don't want to hear Pam. Hello everybody. Welcome back to our channel. JC, if you are new here from Just Lost JC here or whatever. Welcome back. I am in very good spirits today.
Why?
I can't really tell you why. I don't really know. But yes, I wanted to let you guys know about my hair journey and what's going on with that. Also check in with you guys about how our hair journey is going. So for those of you guys that do not know, a brief little summarization, a recapitulation. So my hair actually broke off at some point during this corona krinkum krankum. It broke off. There's a video all about it, so definitely go check it out. I got a massive amount of shedding, way more than I've ever gotten before, and I'm now on a journey to get my hair back to the thickness and the length that it was before all of this. Now in this video I wanted to show you guys the damage that I received, actually show you out, because you guys know when it all happened I twisted my hair up immediately. I didn't really assess the damage because I was too tired. But on my last wash day, before this lovely style here, I actually looked at the damage and I want to show you guys here. So as you can see, the ends are way thinner than the roots. So a lot of people in the last video could see that I had twists and I still had similar length to how I had before the setback, but there was a lot of breakage within the strands as well as extra shedding. And I could tell there was breakage because of the fact that the roots are so thick and it really gets sparse towards the end of the hair. So this brings me back to what I am planning to do. But yeah, it's embarrassing, you know. I'm embarrassed. Not really, but still, this is the way I want my hair to look. I just want my hair to go back to looking like this, which I know it can look like because I kind of got it to that point before all of this krinkum krankum happened during this corona. Are you getting? So we are on this journey to grow it back. You guys are joining me as well, which I'm very excited about. Sorry, basically, let's talk about the plan, yeah? Let's talk about the plan. My plan and what I need for my hair is for it to grow back and to get the same thickness that it had. Now, this hair journey plan that I'm doing does help with length as well as thickness. I personally am looking more for the thickness, but those of you guys that feel that your hair is thick already and you just want to get the length, this is also going to help for that, because this hair journey is to grow hair, period, full stop. You know, but for me the thickness is ultra important, so I am looking for products that not only boost hair growth and by stimulating the scalp that way, but also help straighten the strands, so that I can also hang on to the thickness and thicken up and strengthen the strands, so that I can have thicker, fuller, juicier hair. Okay? The main difference that will be for my hair journey versus someone that is not struggling with similar shedding and breakage is the fact that I personally, I am going to be trimming my hair every 2 to 3 weeks. Every 2 to 3 weeks I trimming my hair. So I am trimming every 2 to 3 weeks. That was a tongue twister. I am trimming my hair every 2 to 3 weeks to get rid of the sparse ends. So those of you guys that want to join this hair journey for length, you guys will not be trimming your hair every 2 to 3 weeks because you have no problem with breakage and all the shedding and a whole major setback. So your hair is fine in terms of the thickness and the fullness throughout. You're just looking for length. So you would trim your hair as usual, as normal. I don't know personally how much you guys trim your hair. I know for me, I can sometimes when I'm good, I can go pretty long times without trimming my hair. Sometimes 4 times a year, sometimes 2 times a year is what I can get away with. But in this instance, I'm going to be trimming, like I said, every 2 to 3 weeks, so almost every month, almost once a month, maybe 2 times a month, depending on how often that I wash my hair. But every time I wash, I will be trimming so that I can get rid of those sparse ends that you guys just saw, because they're embarrassing, baby. They're embarrassing. But yes, I just want everyone else to know that is joining the hair journey for length, that this is definitely the hair journey for you as well. Continue to do what I'm doing, modify it for your lifestyle and what works for you, your activity level, all those things. But the point of this hair journey is so that the hair can grow. The faster my hair grows, and why I'm really focusing on this, the faster it grows is the faster I can be getting rid of the ends and it's coming right back in, and it doesn't necessarily look like there's much of a change in length because it's growing as much as I'm trimming it. So that's why I'm very, very focused as well on growth. So do not worry if you were looking for growth only and not the thickness. Just do not do everything I'm doing, modified, whatever works, but do not do the trimming. Do not trim as often as I'm going to be trimming. That is the one caveat, because my hair will probably not change length, and that to me is a win. If my hair can stay the same length and not necessarily look like it's changed length, that means that it's growing out from the roots as I'm cutting it, and that's what we need, okay? So when I say thickness, I'm actually really meaning growth and getting that hair, new hair on my scalp that has fallen out because of what I did last time, to grow back. Okay, and for the existing hair already on my head that have broken off at odd lengths to, you know, grow faster so that we can all catch up and meet in the middle. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. Ooh. Beyonce, Kelly Rowland, Michelle. I'm all of them are me. Are you getting? Anyone else that is also going through what I'm going through, because there was quite a few people in the comments, thank you so much for commenting, by the way, saying that they had a similar thing. They had a product that they use or a setback similar to mine, where it's not something internal, it's not something ongoing, it was just a one-time thing that happened and they realized what it is and are now rectifying it. I feel you on a spiritual level. If you guys are doing that, of course, there is an option to just do a big cut. But one reason that I'm not doing a big cut is because, honestly, I like buns. I like buns, and I cannot lie. I like big buns, and I cannot lie. So the length for me is great because my buns still look full, even though I know that if I did a twist out, it would look like egg. Okay, I'm gonna walk around and I'm gonna look like egg. I'm gonna look like hotelite because my hair is crinkum crankum and it's broken off. I know that. Are you listening? Look me Hindi high. So if you're going through that as well, okay, you know that your hair is gonna look a bit crinkum crankum, a bit higgy haga, a bit way. With the way my hair shrinks, I don't know if I'd be able to reach the bun fullness and thickness that I'm interested in and that I desire. So that is one. And then two, specifically for this breakage scenario that I have, it's a bit different from last time. Last time I kind of had the same amount of thinness throughout. It was just a thinness situation because it was more of an internal thing with iron and things like that. So my thickness was pretty uniform. With this case, it's a bit different because of the product. So it was really matted in some sections, really easy to detangle in some sections. So I showed you guys the back. That one, to me, has quite a bit of damage. Almost half the length of it could go, but it's not the case in the front. The front is better than that. There's some in the middle that it's like, ooh, some twist in the middle. I was like, no. That also, half of it could go. There was some that the final 1/4, or yeah, the final 1/4 of the twist could go, you know? So it's very scattered. So it's gonna take a while for it to even out. And if I were to cut just based on the damage, I feel like I would have mismatched hair, which I just have no interest in that. This is it. This is the journey we're going on. Again, thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Please comment down below some of the experiences that you're having on this, if you're noticing anything. I mean, it's a bit early to tell for me. At the moment I'm filming this, I believe I'm like maybe 2 weeks in? Yeah, 2 weeks in. Yeah, 2 weeks in. So it's a bit, I can't really see anything. You know, it's 2 weeks. But it feels good. I'm feeling good. My hair's back to normal. It feels normal. The wash day was a breeze. It was great. No matting, no extra tangle. So I think I'm back on track, and it's just time at this point. It's just time and doing the things that we said we're gonna do. So let's briefly just run over the things we said. Let's briefly just do a recap of the things we were doing, the things we doing on this hair journey. applying some kind of oil. Not everyone has the mixtures and whatever that I was able to make with the oil, but if you are interested, definitely go check out my oil video, how I'm making my hair growth oil. People pointed out maybe leave out the turmeric. I don't know, it's fine for me, but you know, do it works for you. If you're not in the mood for making all that, just use Jamaican black castor oil. Use a castor oil that you can buy, one-stop shop oil, but just commit to applying it to your scalp every week, maybe 2 times or 3 times a week, massaging your scalp in the inversion method. That is step 1 of it. Step 2 for me is washing or doing a no manipulation wash day. I uploaded a video about how that all went and that process, and it's pretty much how I got my hair like this. No manipulation wash day, and I'm probably going to be doing that for 2 to 3 months. No twist outs, nothing like that, because again, I'm trying to speed up the process. Okay, so that's basically what we have thus far. Scalp massages and as no manipulation, low manipulation styling and washing as possible. You want to really cut down the amount of times that you detangle your hair, because the less time, the less amount of shedding, the less amount of breakage, the less time you have hands in your hair, the better. So those are the 2 things for now. Of course, new videos are going to be coming up, so I don't know. Wagwan, but yeah, another video from I Don't Wanna Hear Pem Productions, because by the end of these 6 weeks, I swear, if by the end of these 6 months, I swear, if that your hair has not grown a little bit at least, my dear, I don't want to hear Pem. I said I don't want to hear Pem. I'm telling you, we are all doing this together, and I have faith. If there's not another setback, that we should be able to see something. Okay? Good. So thank you guys for tuning in to another one of I Don't Want to Hear Pem Productions videos. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me, please, on Instagram, where I post random things, to be honest. Very random things, but it's all fun. It's all jest, it's all lighthearted, fashiony things if you're into that. And yeah, bye guys. Mwah.